Vertical gardening is a unique and innovative way of growing plants in limited space. Whether you have a small balcony, a tiny backyard, or even just a windowsill, vertical gardening allows you to maximize your growing area and create a beautiful green oasis. In this video, we will take you through the basics of vertical gardening and provide you with everything you need to know to get started. The first step in getting started with vertical gardening is choosing the right structure. There are various options available, such as trellises, wall-mounted planters, and hanging baskets. Each option offers unique advantages and considerations. We will explore different structures and help you select the one that suits your space and plant preferences best. Once you have your structure in place, the next step is to choose the right plants for vertical gardening. Not all plants are suitable for vertical growing, as they require specific characteristics and adaptations. We will discuss some popular plants that thrive in vertical gardens and offer tips for successful cultivation. Before you start planting, it's essential to prepare your growing space properly. This involves ensuring adequate sunlight, providing proper irrigation, and preparing the soil or growing medium. We will guide you through the necessary steps to create an ideal growing environment for your vertical garden. Now that you have all the essentials sorted, it's time to plant and care for your vertical garden. We will demonstrate planting techniques, including spacing, watering, and fertilizing. Additionally, we will provide tips on how to maintain and troubleshoot common issues that may arise during the growing season. To wrap up this video, we will inspire you with some incredible examples of vertical gardens from around the world. You'll see how vertical gardening can transform even the smallest spaces into lush and vibrant displays of plants. Get ready to be amazed and motivated to create your own unique vertical garden.